Hey, come on. Otherwise, Manoj's samosas will be sold out. Oh yeah, let them get sold out. Are his samosas the only ones in the whole village? Of course there are, but he's best for samosas.
Both friends run to Manoj's samosa shop. There is already a big crowd waiting.
I told you we should hurry. Now who knows how long we'll have to wait.
Rajan starts pushing through the crowd. Suddenly, someone shoves Sunil and he stumbles and falls.
Are you blind or what? Hey, looks like you get hurt. No problem, come on. I'll feed you samosas myself. If you want my samosas, you should line up here from 7 a.m. Only then will you get your chance. Oh, all this humping and showing for 10 rupees samosa. As if there is something magical in them. I'm not coming here again.
Angry, Sunil leaves and notices a cart in the distance. It's selling samosas too.
Looks like that's a new seller. Yeah, I'll go there. Who wants to want in this crowd? Today I'll teach this arrogant Manoj a lesson.
Sunil goes to the new samosa cart. The seller is a young man.
Hey, is this your first time in this village? Yes, brother. My mother passed away, so I started selling samosas. I travel to villages and sell samosas. In that case, you picked the right place. We really needed a new samosa seller here. I get tired of Manoj's samosas and this crowd is just too much. I'm happy we have new samosa seller in the village.
As Sunil and Mantu are chatting, someone famous arrives at Manoj's shop and the crowd parts.
Hey, make way. Let them through. Please come in, Vipulji. No need, Manoj. I'll wait for my turn like everyone else. Oh, I can't let you wait. Please come forward. Come forward. Huh, what a show off. You give me your samosas. Let me show him a lesson. Here you go, brother. Hot samosas with spicy chutney. You'll love them. By the way, who was that big guy back there? Is he the village sarpanch? Everyone treated him with such respect. Oh no. He used to be in the army. One leg got shot, so he came back to the village. Oh, I see. Then he does deserve respect.
As soon as Sunil tries the samosa, he likes it. It's good. Nothing amazing. But Sunil wants to draw customers away from Manoj's shop. So he shouts loudly.
Oh, wow! What a taste! What happened, brother? Is the samosa really hot? Oh, this samosa is incredible! In 24 years, I have never tasted anything like it. Where were you all this time?
The crowd hears Sunil and slowly people start leaving Manoj's shop for Mantu's cart.
Yes, these samosas are nice too. Manoj's shop is always packed. Who wants to stand there all day? From now on, I'll eat right here only. Sunil, what have you done? Everyone is coming here now. I thought I would help out this poor guy too.
Seeing half the village at Mantu's royal samosa cart, Manoj is left stunned. And this became a daily thing. One day,
unbelievable. Where did this strange newcomer come from? My sales have dropped so much. What to do, Bholuram? Yes, Sethi. But don't worry. August 15th is coming soon. Every year, our samosas sell like crazy at the village event. Right? Why you are looking so disappointing? Yes, I forget about August 15th. I'll make up for all my losses there.
4 days before Independence Day, the village chief holds a meeting. Mantu is there too. The chief is assigning duties to everyone.
For the August 15 sweets, Santosh Halwai will handle the laddus. And for samosas, I'll take care of the samosas as usual, Sarpanji. No need to announce it. Not this time, Manoj. We want to give this new boy a chance.
The chief's words hit Manoj and Bholuram like a shock.
What? What are you saying, Sarpanji? For 10 years, I have always made the samosas for Independence Day, and now suddenly this newcomer gets the job? That's not right, Sarpanji. You have done it for 10 years, Manoj. Let someone else have a chance this time. Anyway, your shop is crowded every day. Let him have a chance. Let this poor guy get some work. Why you want all the profit for you only? You keep quiet. You are the reason I have lost so much business. I won't let you get away with this. What kind of behavior is this? It's okay, sir. He's upset. His business got hit hard. How dare you say this?
Suddenly, Manoj and Sunil get into a fight. Bholuram tries to calm things down.
Why don't Mantu and Manojji make the samosas together? Manojji got years of experience and Mantu is just learning. If they work together, boss won't mind and Mantu gets a chance too. Hope this would be okay. Yes, I would like that. I could learn a lot from him. Alright then, that's a good idea. Now everyone get ready for the big day. And before you go, I have an announcement. We will have a very special guest this Independence Day and he will raise the flag. So everything should be perfect.
People start talking excitedly about the special guest and start preparations. Only 2 days are left for the event, but Manoj is upset with Mantu.
Sethi, tell me how to get started. There is only 2 days left. Do it however you want. I don't care. Everyone has been praising you so much. You manage it yourself. What? You are not going to help me at all? Why should I? Do you really need help just to make a few samosas? My name will be linked to your work. That's enough. Finish up and go home by dark. That's all. So now hurry up. Don't waste time and get started. Hope I'm clear. Alright, boss. As you say. But I won't work at night. When it's dark, I leave. Hope that's fine. Oh, are you scared of the dark? Yeah, something like that. Okay, fine. Just finish your work during the day.
Cleverly, Manoj dumped all the work on Mantu and started relaxing.
Brilliant, boss. That's really smart thinking. You'll get half the profit without lifting a finger.
Manoj and Bholuram thought their plan was perfect, but in the dark of night, someone else was also making moves.
Everything is ready here. The August 15th event is going to be explosive.
August 15th arrived. All the villagers gathered in the big ground and the event was about to begin.
Wow, what a delicious smell. True, but today nobody will know whose samosas they are eating. Manoj's or Mantu's. I just wanted to get back at Manoj. Now I feel great. But where is Manoj? Haven't seen him anywhere. He is probably too embarrassed to show his face. Today he had to work with a much younger guy. Come on, let's drag him over here. It will be fun. Let it go, man. No way. The real fun has just begun.
Sunil forces Rajan to come with him to Manoj's shop.
Hey Manoj, where are you? Hiding in your shop? Come out. Come on, forget it, Sunil. Why start trouble? Let's go.
Suddenly they hear a strange boom sound.
What was that? Something is not right. We need to check inside.
Sunil goes inside and sees Manoj lying tied up under a table with 2 samosas stuffed into his mouth and wires around his neck.
What? What is this? Who did this? What else? Let's untie him.
Rajan and Sunil remove the table and try to turn Manoj over. They are shocked to see a bomb strapped to Manoj's back.
Oh no! I feel dizzy. Now what? Bomb? How are we going to defend a bomb? We can't do that. We need another plan.
Thinking quickly, Rajan and Sunil tear off Manoj's shirt. With the bomb still attached, they untie his hands.
That Mantu, he's dangerous. He's not some innocent kid. Stop him. He makes bombs. He put mini bombs inside the samosas too. Stop him fast!
Shocked and worried, Manoj, Sunil, and Rajan look at each other. Just then, Vipul appears.
Give me that bomb and come with me to the ground. I suspected Mantu from day one. A soldier never makes a mistake. Let's show everyone how Independence Day is celebrated in India. Mantu, please come to the stage. People are loving your samosas. Say a few words on this special day. We are really proud of you and would like to listen to your address. Thank you, all of you, for the love. These are special samosas I saved just for you. Make sure to eat them and give them to your kids too. They have my love in them. Wonderful, wonderful. Now we'll honor Mantu with this beautiful garland Vipul just brought.
Bholuram brings a huge flower garland which the chief puts around Mantu's shoulders.
Thank you all of you so much for this honor. I'll always remember you.
The crowd claps loudly. Suddenly, Mantu hears a peculiar tune.
Wait, what's that?
Before Mantu can react, Sunil comes from behind and knocks him out. He becomes unconscious. When he wakes up, he's tied to a chair and surrounded by the villagers.
What's around my neck?
That garland isn't made of flowers. It's the same bomb he tried to use on Manoj.
You tricked me. I won't let you get away with this. Oh, we tricked you. You were planning to win a prize for us on August 15th. You terrorist. Don't dare call me a terrorist. I came to sacrifice myself for my people. This isn't over. You won't imagine what will be done. What plan, cheat? I suspected you all along. The collector was going to come today, and you planned all this to blow him up, right? I know everything about you.
Hearing his secret plans exposed from Vipul, Mantu is stunned.
How do you know all this, soldier? You said it yourself. I'm a soldier. We can spot traitors like you a mile away. No, my plan can't fail. Too late. We warned the collector in advance. Try again next year, if you get the chance. It's hard luck for you this year. But next August 15th, he'll be making rotis in Tihar jail.
As Sunil says this, the police and army arrive and they take Mantu away.
He's a notorious bomb maker. We have been after him for ages. You all showed great courage and wisdom. The government will honor you. The real heroes are Manoj, Sunil, Vipul and Rajan. Well done. You all did something amazing. And Vipul, you proved a true soldier is always ready to protect Mother India, whether on the battlefield or in a small village. No. This is my duty towards my motherland.
The crowd claps and cheers. The chief makes a big announcement.
Today, the honor of hoisting the flag will go to these four.
Amid thunderous applause, the four hoist the flag and celebrate Independence Day. The next day, Manoj's samosa shop is crowded again and Sunil watches with a smile from afar.
If you want my samosas, Sunil bhai, come early at 7 a.m.